Welcome back to our channel. So the next three questions are related to construction. So we shall discuss them on a drawing sheet. Okay, let us discuss the first 11th problem. So construct a triangle similar to the given triangle ABC with its sides equal to 5 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the given triangle ABC. So let us discuss this roughly first. Okay, so first we have to construct a triangle ABC. Okay, of any measurements. So because measurements are not given in the question. Okay, so first construct a triangle ABC, and to this triangle, so we have to construct another new triangle with its sides equal to 5 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the given triangle. That means here the ratio of the new triangle makes with the old triangle is 5 by 3. That means if we divide 5 by 3, so 3 ones are 3 and remainder is 2. So one decimal 0. So 3 6 are 18. So its value is approximately 1.6. That means the value is greater than 1. So if the value is greater than 1, so the new required triangle is greater than the new old triangle. Okay, now required triangle is greater than the previous triangle. So that means the required triangle will form outside the previous triangle. Okay, given triangle. Okay. So first step is we have to draw a triangle ABC. So now next step is draw a ray BX. So this ray must be making an acute angle with the line segment BC. So again, so since the given required triangle is should be formed in the 5:3, so that means the numerator is 5. Here the greater value is 5. We have to divide 5 equal parts on this ray. That means B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5. Okay, so now join B3 and C. Okay, from B5 draw a line parallel to this B3C. Okay, this line should meet BC extended C dash. Again from C dash draw a line parallel to AC, and this line should meet AB extended at A dash. So A dash B C dash, this is the required triangles. Okay, so let us see how the diagram is. Okay, next. So first draw the triangle ABC of any dimensions. Okay, so let us take this triangle segment BC. Okay, from C we are drawn one arc differently, and from A also with some length greater than this length. Okay, now join this, mark this point as A. Okay, now join AB and AC. Okay, so triangle, draw a triangle ABC. The first step is, so we have drawn the triangle ABC, and from B draw a ray BX. Okay, draw a ray BX making an acute angle with BC on the side opposite to vertex A. So on the side opposite to vertex A, draw a line, draw a ray BX from B. So this ray, okay, so this ray BX makes an acute angle with BC. Okay, that means angle CBX must be less than 90 degrees. So from B mark 5 equidistance points. So since the ratio, required ratio is 5:3, that means the numerator, the value, greater value is here 5. So we are taking 5 equal points. That means take a fixed length with compass. Okay, from B mark 5 points. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5. So here the length B1 equal to B1, B2 equal to B2, B3 equal to B4, B5 equal to B4, B5. Okay, so now join B3 and C. Okay, so why we have considered the third point means here the ratio 5:3, that means the smaller value here is 3. So we consider as third point. Okay, so from B3 join B3 and C. Okay, so again from B5 draw a line parallel to this B3C. Draw a line parallel to B3C from B5. Okay, now extend this BC. So the line drawn from the B5 meet the BC extended BC at C dash. Okay, this is the point C dash. Okay, so join B3C and draw a line through B5 parallel to B3C. So to intersect BC at extended at C dash. Okay, now draw a line through C dash. So draw a line through C dash parallel to CA. So intersect BA produced at A dash. Okay, so similarly take the scale at the position AC and draw a line parallel to AC from C dash. Okay, now extend BA. Okay, the line drawn from the C dash meets the BA extended at A dash. So now A dash B C dash, A dash B C dash is the required triangle. Okay, the next question is construct a triangle of sides 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters and 6 centimeters. Then construct a triangle similar to it whose sides are 2/3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. So let us discuss the roughly. Okay, so first construct a triangle with the given dimensions. So this is the given triangle. So next it is asked to construct another triangle so that 2/3 of corresponding sides of first triangle. So the given triangle, the required triangle makes 2/3 of corresponding sides of the first triangle. So that means 2/3. So if we divide 2/3, 0.36 are 18. Remainder is 3 6 8. So it's 0.6 something. So that value is less than 1. So its value is less than 1. That means the required triangle is smaller than the given triangle. So that means its value must be less than this triangle. Okay. So first step is, so draw a triangle with the given dimension. Next draw a ray AX making acute angle with AB. So next, since it is required, the ratio is 2/3. So the greater value is 3. So we are making 3 equal points. So that means A1, A2 and A3. So now join A3B. So from A2, since it is the 2/3, so a smaller value is 2, we are considering seconding point. Okay, so from the second point, that is from A2, so draw a line parallel to BA3. Okay, so this line drawn from the A2 meets AB at B dash. Again from B dash, draw a line parallel to BC. So this line meets AC at C dash. So AB dash C dash is the required triangle. Okay, so this triangle is smaller than the given triangle. So let us now draw with the measurement. Okay, so draw a line segment AB of length 4 centimeters. So first step is draw AB. So this is A and this is B, 4 centimeters. Okay, again with A as center, draw an arc of length 5 centimeters. So since one is 4 centimeters, one other line is 5 centimeters, another line is 6 centimeters. So from A we are taking 5 centimeters. Okay, so from A draw an arc of length 5 centimeters. Similarly from B, draw an arc of length 6 centimeters. So measure 6 centimeters. Okay, so from B, draw an arc of length 6 centimeters. So these two arcs intersect at a point. Okay, so mark this point as C. So now join AC and BC. Okay, so this is the given triangle. This is not the required triangle. This is the given triangle. Okay, so join AC and BC. The triangle ABC is drawn and this is the given triangle. Now we have to draw another triangle. So we have to draw the required triangle. So the triangle is similar to a given triangle and makes 2/3 with the corresponding sides of the given triangle. Okay, so now draw a ray AX. Okay, making an acute angle with AB. So from A, draw a ray AX. So this ray makes an acute angle with AB. That means angle BAX is less than 90 degrees. Okay. Okay. So since the given question, it is mentioned that 2/3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. That means here the greater value is 3. We are making 3 equal points on ray AX. Okay. So mark 3 equidistant points A1, A2, A3 on AX. That means here from here marks 1 and 2, 3. Okay. So this is A1, A2 and A3. So now join A3B. Okay. We are joining A3B. So join A3B and draw a line through A2. Okay. So draw a line through A2 parallel to A3B. So here the 2/3, that means the smaller value is 2. So we are considering the second point. Okay, from second point, that is from A2, draw a line parallel to A3B. Okay. Place the scale on the side A3B. Okay. So from A2, draw a line parallel to A3B. So this line drawn from the A2 meets AB at B dash. Okay. So A meets AB at B dash. Similarly, from draw a line through B dash parallel to line BC. Okay. From B dash, draw a line parallel to BC. Okay. Now, place the scale along BC. Okay. From B dash, draw a line parallel to BC. So this line drawn from the B dash meets AC at C dash. So now triangle A B dash C dash. Triangle A B dash C dash is the required triangle. Okay. So this is the required figure. Okay. Okay, the next question is construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 centimeters and altitude is 4 centimeters. Then draw another triangle whose sides are 1/2 times the corresponding sides of the isosceles triangle. Okay, so first step is draw a triangle, isosceles triangle. Let ABC be the. So first draw an isosceles triangle with the given dimensions. Okay, so given dimensions BC 8 centimeters is the base and altitude is 4 centimeters. Okay, and the required triangle makes 1/2 times the corresponding sides of the isosceles triangle. That means the required triangle is 1/2 times the corresponding sides of isosceles triangle. Its value equal to 3/2. That means, so ones are 2. So its value is 1.5. That means it's greater than 1. So the required ratio is greater than 1. That means the required triangle is more than bigger than the given triangle. Okay. So the required triangle must come outside the given triangle. Okay. So let us see how. So first draw the base 8 centimeters. So if we consider base as BC, okay, 8 centimeters. Next, altitude is given that 4 centimeters. That means draw a perpendicular bisector to this BC line. Okay, so from this point, so if we mark this as D, from this point mark 4 centimeters arc. Okay, so I mark it as CA. So join AB and AC. So this AB value equal to AC. That means two sides in a triangle, two sides are equal, then it is said to be isosceles triangle. So required isosceles triangle is, first the given isosceles triangle is drawn again. So with B as point, draw a ray BX. So this BX must be making an acute angle with BC. Okay, so now since the ratio is 3/2 and the highest value is greater value is 3, that means we have to take 3.1, 2, 3. So B1, B2 and B3. So now join B2C. Okay, so here the smallest value is 2. The ratio of smallest value is 2. We are considering the second point. Okay, so B2C. From B3, draw a line parallel to this B2C. Okay, this line drawn from the B3 must meet BC produced at C dash. Again from C dash, draw a line parallel to AC. Okay, draw a line parallel to AC. This line must meet A, BA produced at A dash. Okay, A dash, B, C dash. This is the required triangle. So let us now draw. So first step is draw a line segment BC of length 8 centimeters. Okay. So we are taking here BC as 8 centimeters. BC 8 centimeters. Okay. So draw a perpendicular bisector to BC. Okay. Draw a perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay. So to draw a perpendicular bisector, we know that we have to take more than half of this length. Okay. So draw two arcs. Again with the same length from point B, draw another two arcs which meet the previous arcs. Okay. This point of intersection must be joined. So this is the perpendicular bisector of BC. So this perpendicular bisector divides BC into two equal halves. That means, so if mark it as point D, so BD value equal to CD. Okay. So again, since in the question given that altitude of triangle is 4 centimeters, so from D mark a point 4 centimeters on bisector. Okay. So make one length of 4 centimeters. Okay. From D, draw an arc of length 4 centimeters. So this point of intersection is marked as A. So now join AB and AC. Okay. So this AB value is equal to AC. Okay. So that if in a triangle any two sides are equal, then it is said to be isosceles. Then the given isosceles triangle is formed here. Okay. Then join AB and AC. Then ABC is the isosceles since AB equal to AC. Now draw a ray BX through B. Okay. So draw a ray BX making an acute angle with BC on the side BC. Okay. Okay. Next, since in the question it is given that 1/1.5, that is 3/2. So we have the greater value there is 3. So we are making 3 equidistance points on the ray BX. Okay. Here 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So this is B1, B2 and B3. So this B1 equal to B1, B2 equal to B2, B3. So they are equidistant point. So now join B2C. So since it is the ratio 3/2. Okay. So since the ratio is 3/2, that means smaller value is 2. So we are considering the second point. So now join B2C. Okay. So from B3. Okay. From B3, draw a line parallel to B2C. Okay, join B2C and draw a line parallel through B3 parallel to B2C to intersect BC extended at C dash. Okay, so now place the scale here B2C. Okay, so B3 through B3 draw a line parallel to the B2C. Okay, so this line meets the BC extended at C dash. Okay, again through C dash draw a line parallel to AC. So if we place the scale to AC. Okay, and through C dash draw a line parallel to AC. Okay, so this line drawn through the C dash meets AB, BA extended at A dash. So A dash, B, C dash is the required triangle. Okay, triangle A dash, B, C dash is required triangle. Thank you for watching this. By this we have completed our exercise 8.2. We shall discuss a new topic in our next video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos.